Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power driver's seat, traction control, navigation system, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.